We got this truck. You already know what it is. FMS Smasher V2. This is the really good truck right here. But there's a massive problem with this truck. It's got no weight. You've seen the other videos, it's just been falling all over the place. So what we're gonna do, we got these weights right here. These, and these. If I'm correct in thinking, it's about 300 grams of weight right here. Hold the truck there, stop moving it. Let's load it up in the back. Now I've loaded in the back before, and you can actually see here that, you know, loading the back's not going to do the job, because in real life, these things have engines, and the engine provides the weight you need. But you can see, loading this shit up in the back, that slams like the car's full of a bunch of fat people. Looking pretty good though. Give that a bit of a run around just here. Well, that's useful. Let's run it on the course, and we're going to show you 5 rounds. We've got 5 rounds to hit. We're going to show you unweighted and then weighted straight after that. Level 1 is driving over the bumpy Oreos. We're going to see how it responds with that. Level 2, slippery slope. Level 3, we've got a bumpy drive over. Level 4 is a super steep bed that we have to drive up. And level 5, it looks like it's easy, but it's just a simple step. And this thing cannot do it. Let's see if it can do it with weight. Level 1, the Oreos. Let's see how this responds going over these. Look at that, it's just grabbing. Now, in order to do these, we're gonna have to get the weights on them. So, pass me the weights over here. Now, there's probably not enough weights here to balance front and back. We're gonna have to get all of these on the front. All right, let's do it. Weighted. Let's pick this up. Shit, that's heavy. That's no travel on the front. It looks pretty weird. It's like a massive piece on the top. But I think that's ready to go. The Oreo's weighted. And it's just pushing the whole stack. I'm gonna have to hold it this way. Shit. Okay, well that went over like it's nothing. Let's go to round 2. Level 2, we got the slippery slope right there. Now this is really a slippery surface, so it's probably gonna struggle a bit, but let's see how it does. It's not doing too badly. Okay, that's the end of it, I guess. Maybe just. Thing is, what would happen if you go fast up this? Would it be easier or harder? On that part right there.
That's the same thing, it's still joking.
Okay. Well, I guess that shouldn't be too much of a problem. We're gonna have to go to a harder level then. You'll notice the addition of a bit more tape. Outfit 4 with Oreos had to make it a little stronger. Let's see how we're going. Just lean to one side. It's very strong. Look at that. Careful. Like it's absolutely nothing. Nice. Right, let's go to the next round. Level 3. Get these bumpy weights right here. Still doing its job. Did pretty well, but I think weighted it would do better. Give it one more round. You see, it's kind of strong now. Yeah, weighted would be better. Let's try weighted. Let's get the weights on and see how it goes. Okay, it's pretty heavy at the front, we need some weight in the back, but that just drove over like it's nothing. Let's try it again. Just stop on the last ones. Yeah, but stop when the front wheels are on the purple. You're in high range right now. Yeah, it won't even move in high range. No, I would say keep it alone. Stop now. Yeah. Okay. We're really pushing this thing to the limits because all these small plastic components. It's probably about to snap, but it's already doing a lot better. It's slow, but it's doing better. That's what I'm saying. Let's go to level 4. Level 4. This is a very, very steep slope. Let's see if I get the angle right. I'm gonna level out the phone. That's the angle right there. So let's do it. Will it even hold?
Too steep.
Put it back on.
It wasn't as high last time.
Yeah, it'll do it with the weight. It's basically nothing. With weight, it wouldn't even do it before. Oh, it's still screwing around, is it?
Still to your left.
Hold it. Try again. Yeah, the weight's actually making it worse.
It's because the weight's too
Yeah,
high.
I know, yeah.
The weight needs to be down there.
Yeah. Well, I'm just holding my finger on it then. This is just resting my finger on, just to bring the positioning of the weight to the front. Bring it up, bring it up. Bring it up and over. Oh, that's pretty good.
Yeah.
Really struggling with that much weight in it because this thing's not built for that. Gonna upgrade the whole thing. But it's time to go level 5. And this is the hardest one. Just a small step that's about the height of the car. Try it again. Can you do it? Looks like it won't do it. Let's go weighted. Level 5 weighted, it can't even get up this. Let's try now. It's absolutely refusing to turn. What's wrong? That's it. I'll just come a little bit more straight on because okay, I've got too much weight pulling this one. I just use my finger right here. Mm-hmm. 10 left.
Yeah, the car has way too much weight.
Okay.
It's very strong. Just get the wheels on it.
Yeah.
It's there. Goes on.
I just hold it here so the weight's there.
I just get the back left on that side. Gauge weight on the back.
Yeah, makes sense.
You put weight on the back and go straight on.
Put it back down there. Okay, go. I'll get a bit of weight on the back then. Don't do that too much. You hear it rolling. Just keep it easy.
Just get the back left on by itself. So
Yeah, I've got it. It needs weight right here.
just make sure that comes up by itself.
That's it. Adding weight definitely made it better in some ways, but overall, the car's still too unbalanced and light, which is probably why they sell just the weighted wheels. So yeah, and it has quite a lot of weight. There's like 300-400 grams in the front there. But it should work pretty good for some basic off-roading. So let's drive it out into the backyard like we usually do, across that bump and stuff, and see how it does. Really not liking that weight. Looks like it's like you got like 5 V8s in the front. Bring it back in. It's not liking this. Let's take it all off. In the whole truck. The car's nice and loose and free now. Let's go again. Take it back outside. Looks pretty happy. It's like it's being a massive fat person sitting in the car, behind the car. See, it looks like weighted wheels actually make a difference, because that's actually where you want the weight. You know, wheel that's hanging in the edges there. Yeah, well, as good as the weight was, definitely a lot better with the weight off. It looks nice and free, and the truck seems a lot happier. So, you better leave it like that. Let us know what else you want us to do with this truck, or what else we can do with this truck. I don't know if we've reached the limit of its capabilities, because, you know, trying the weight, it can do it, but then it can't do it, so it's like, I think we need something either bigger or more powerful, something like that. Let us know in the comments which truck you want us to look at, or not even a truck, just any truck. You can pretty much get whatever. I just don't really know what to get, because I don't know a lot about this stuff, but it is pretty fun to play with. So, like the video, and like I said, comment what you want us to get. Make sure you subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. There's going to be a next one before we break this.